Hi friend, today I'm sharing my recipe for German sweet and sour cucumbers and onions. As the name implies, you'll need thinly sliced cucumbers. I used a baby cucumber variety and thinly sliced red onions. When you have all your onions and cucumbers prepared, put them in a large bowl and season them with salt and pepper. I'll have the full recipe with exact quantities in the description box below. To make the sweet and sour pickling mixture, crush or grind celery seed, caraway seed, and garlic powder. Next, stir together 2 bay leaves, water, red wine vinegar, brown sugar, and the ground spices in a small saucepan. Bring the sweet and sour mixture to a low boil on the stovetop and cook, stirring frequently for 5 to 7 minutes, and then remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the mixture to steep for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, add the prepared cucumber and onion slices to a glass jar and then strain the pickling liquid into the jar with the cucumbers and onions. Add a tight-fitting lid, give it a few shakes, and then store it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days for best flavor. It's time to eat. Get this and more tasty recipes at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.